Hi friends, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay. At the moment I'm not in my Jazzy J kitchen. I'm actually here in my practice studio in my home. This is my other life, you know, playing music, and I think a lot of you know that. On this edition of Cooking with Jay, I'm going to make a fairly simple classic dish for you tonight. I'm going to make, well, with a little twist on it, I'm going to make a Jamaican curry chicken salad. We're going to make a nice sandwich out of that. So that's Jamaican curry chicken salad. And I think it's tasty, I think it's delicious, and certainly easy to make. So if you're ready to see me get cooking and show you how I make this Jamaican curry chicken salad, then let me leave my good friends here, my drums, and let's get to Jazzy J Kitchen. Okay, have my bowl. Now in here I have roasted chicken. Now you can buy rotisserie chicken, or you can bake your own chicken, roast it. If you roast it yourself, bake it, you can control your sodium content. If you buy the rotisserie chicken, it's probably loaded with salt, so definitely check that out before you buy it. Now, I just use probably 95% of the breast meat. I break it up in little fine pieces like that. You know, so the breast meat. All right, put it in this bowl. And here I have about a half a cup, maybe a little bit more, of a diced up granny apple. Now, I'm using granny apples because I like, personally, it's a personal preference, I love the tartness of the granny apples, okay? And, I mean, great for making an apple pie, but we're not making apple pie tonight. We're making chicken salad. And I want to get the star of the show, set the star of the show right there. And this is my Jamaican curry powder. Set that there. In here, I have some diced up red grapes, all right? You can slice them in half or slice them in three pieces, which is what I did. And so maybe a half a cup of diced up red grapes, seedless. It's important, seedless red grapes, okay? And then I have about a half a cup of some finely diced up celery in here as well, okay? So red grapes, seedless red grapes, and some diced up celery. And the way I cut this celery, if you have the stalk like that, I cut it down the middle, set that over there for a minute, and then presto, like that. You get some perfectly sliced up celery, all right? I did that because somebody said, we never see you do any prep work. We never see you chop. So I thought I would chop something, okay. And in here, we have some crunched up walnuts, all right? Now you can use pecans as well. I'm just using walnuts tonight. Now, over here, I have some mayo. I'm going to use a quarter to a half a cup of mayo. All right? Quarter to half a cup of mayo. Now, set that there, get that out of the way. Now we have, last but not least, the Jamaican curry man. A couple of tablespoons of that in here. So get some good flavor. All right. So the Jamaican curry man, yeah. Now we're going to add the chicken is not that salty, so I'm going to add a little bit more salt in here. Okay. Then I'm going to add some freshly ground black pepper in here as well. All right. Now I'm going to stir this together, get everything mixed in, the mayo, of course, get it all blended in. feel it's too dry, you know, you can add a little bit more mayo. Okay, but I think I have enough in here. Have to mix it around well. Make sure everything is blended. Yeah. So I'm going to add, see if I have any more mayo in here. Add just a little bit more of this mayo. Just a little bit more. All right. And if you're wondering what I'm using Duke's. Okay? And not that fat, low-fat stuff. The real deal. Oh, yes. Jamaican curry, man. And there are all kinds of different curries. Now, you don't have to use Jamaican curry, of course. You can use regular curry, spicy curry. All right. So I want to give it the taste test. Make sure I have enough salt. A little bit more of that. All right. Okay. Now, my chicken salad is ready. Now here, I have 4 slices of, what kind of bread am I using tonight? I am using the sourdough brie bread. Okay, now we're going to move over here to the stove. All right, I have some butter in the saucepan. And we'll just do one for right now. And we're going to let this bread here. Now, do you have to do this with the butter and the bread? No. But it's a good idea. Particularly for flavor variation. Oh. Ooh. And it's almost like you're kind of making French toast, but without the batter, you know, without the egg and the cinnamon and the cream and stuff like that. But I'm going to turn this up a little bit, get it hot. And this chicken salad, again, the chicken salad, I get, you can buy a rotisserie chicken, baked chicken, you can bake it yourself, and then pull the breast meat off, you know, break up the breast meat of the chicken. Okay, that's what I use. You get about a half a cup of some finely diced up celery, get about half a cup of red seedless grapes, and slice them up, put them in here. Get some crunched up walnuts, about a quarter cup of walnuts. Check the bread. Not quite, almost. Actually, yeah, I'll go ahead and flip it over now. Yeah, nice brown color there. So the grapes, walnuts, celery, a couple of tablespoons of the Jamaican curry powder in here, and the mayo, about a quarter cup of mayo, quarter to half a cup of mayo. And you can use low fat if you like. I didn't. I just used regular mayonnaise. Some salt and pepper. Now, if you buy the rotisserie chicken, just check. You know, just keep in mind there's a lot of salt in that chicken. So if you buy that, then you may not have to even add any salt. That's just a preference. But just taste the chicken, see how salty it is, and that can determine how much salt you put in and add. Salt, pepper, black pepper. All right, let's check this out. I can turn this off. Oh, it's almost. Yeah. Okay, I'll take it off. Now let's move back over here to where the chicken is. Okay. Okay. Now grab this plate here. Set that up there. The plate. And, all right, let's see, bread. Come on, get over it. All right, down like that. Put that over there. All right. Curry. With a chicken curry salad. There we go. on this bread. And you want to have a fork along with that as well. So it's going to come out the sides. All right. I'm going to set that up there like that. And then what we're going to do, and then something I want to do just over here, just to add some chips. Voila. There you have my Jamaican curry chicken salad with the sandwich, with the sourdough bread, and some potato chips. That's my dish for tonight. Okay. I think I have a nice, tasty dinner ahead waiting for me right now. So, again, the Jamaican curry chicken salad, you don't have to use Jamaican curry. You can use regular curry or spiced curry, right? Some chicken breast, break it up a little bit. Some celery, some red grapes. Oh, I didn't mention the granny apple. Yes, diced up granny apple. That's what I forgot to mention earlier. The diced up granny apple. Some mayo, the curry powder, salt and pepper. Remember to check the salt. You know, you might, if you buy a rotisserie chicken, it's going to be kind of salty. All right. And the bread, you can use any kind of bread you want. This is just what I'm preferring to use tonight. Okay, the sourdough bread. Okay, thank you for watching this edition of Cooking with Jay, which is aired Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHO Public Media Facebook page. I would like to thank our sponsor, Feast Virginia. Yes, thank you so much for your sponsorship. Looking forward to doing some things with you guys, and much appreciated that you're supporting the program. Be safe out there, friends, until the next edition of Cooking with Jay. I'll come up with something I think tasty for you on the next episode. Remember my Senate in Session Jazz Show, 89.5 WHRV-FM, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings from 1 until 6 for all you late birds out there, for real. Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5. I also host the R&B Chronicles Friday nights from 7 until 8. So tune in, check out some of my music programs on WHRV-FM 89.5. Be safe again. Peace, friends. We'll see you soon.
Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Join me for Cooking with Jay Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media, with previous shows now available on YouTube at WHRO Public Media. So let's get cooking. Support for Cooking with Jay provided by Feast Virginia. Food is a human issue that needs everyone at the table. Visit feastva.org to learn more.